The global automotive industry has spent the last decade trapped in a silent but massive computational bottleneck. We have engineered vehicles with dozens of external sensors, military-grade millimeter-wave radars, expensive spinning LiDAR units, and ultra-high-definition cameras. We created machines that could physically see the surrounding world with a level of clarity that far surpasses human biology. Yet, ironically, these same machines were fundamentally incapable of actually understanding what they were looking at. The traditional paradigm of autonomous driving was entirely based on rigid heuristics. It was a world of hard-coded rules. If the camera detects a bounding box of a certain size, then apply the brakes. It relied on a massive, inflexible, and fragile software stack that was completely incapable of handling the organic, unpredictable chaos of real-world driving environments. But the software architecture we are about to forensically analyze today changes absolutely everything about how cars operate. What XPeng has implemented in the brand new P7 Plus is not just a software update over the air. It is a total violent rupture in how machines process physical reality. We are talking about the VLA 2.0 architecture: vision, language, action. Today, on Drive and RPM, we are executing a deep dive engineering analysis into the end-to-end neural network that is retiring hard-coded rules forever and transforming the automobile into a truly cognitive entity. To fully grasp the technical magnitude of VLA 2.0, we first need to dissect and understand the traditional autonomous architecture that is currently failing legacy automakers. Until very recently, the brain of an autonomous vehicle was strictly divided into isolated, siloed departments: perception, planning, and control. The perception module would receive raw data from the cameras and LiDAR and attempt to draw a three-dimensional mathematical map of the world, placing geometric bounding boxes around every recognized object. This heavy map was then packaged and sent to the planning module, which calculated the ideal mathematical trajectory to avoid those boxes. Finally, that trajectory was sent down to the control module, which translated the math into physical electrical signals for the steering rack and the brake calipers. The catastrophic Achilles heel of this modular approach is latency and data degradation. Every single time data is transferred from one software silo to the next, precious milliseconds are lost, and the organic context of the situation is destroyed. Pioneering brands, most notably Tesla with its recent iterations of full self-driving, boldly proved to the global market that the end-to-end neural network approach was the only true path forward. XPeng, with the P7 Plus, has absorbed this brilliant philosophy of pure vision and elevated it to an entirely new cognitive spectrum. VLA 2.0 does not have software departments. It has no millions of lines of C++ code dictating specific rules. It is a single, massive, uninterrupted neural network. Photons of light enter through the camera lenses, and they are instantly converted into physical torque at the rear wheels. The system does not follow human-written rules. It learned how to drive by processing millions of hours of organic human behavior, internalizing the physics of driving through pure, unadulterated computational brute force. The true core of this engineering revolution, and the element that separates XPeng from the rest of the industry in 2026, lies in the letter L of the VLA acronym: language. But why on earth does a car need natural language processing? The answer lies in the massive abyss between simply seeing an object and understanding its semantic meaning. Traditional computer vision can perfectly identify that there is a gray, spherical object rolling across the asphalt, but it struggles immensely to understand the difference between a lightweight, empty plastic bag blowing in the wind and a solid, heavy rock of the exact same dimensions. For an older modular system, both are simply geometric obstacles, forcing the car into a harsh, dangerous emergency braking maneuver. This is exactly where large language models, the same foundational architecture that powers the most advanced conversational AI systems in the world, are injected directly into the chassis engineering. VLA 2.0 endows the XPeng P7 Plus with real-time contextual reasoning. It does not just classify pixels and vectors, it comprehends the meaning of the scene. It understands the body language of traffic. If a pedestrian is standing on the edge of the sidewalk staring intently at a smartphone screen, the P7 Plus S neural network interprets that physical posture and preemptively reduces speed, inferring that the person is distracted and highly likely to step into the street without looking. If that same pedestrian lifts their head and makes direct eye contact with the car's camera array, the system instantly understands the unspoken agreement that it has been seen, and it resumes a normal cruising speed. This is not distance measurement. This is situational comprehension. The car is reading human intentions, and that requires the semantic processing power of a language model. Implementing the brutal processing power of VLA 2.0 required a complete, fearless overhaul of the XPeng P7 Plus S hardware suite. For years, the global automotive industry has been locked in an absurd sensor arms race, installing incredibly expensive heavy and aerodynamically inefficient LiDAR units on the roof of almost every new electric vehicle. LiDAR is undeniably excellent at measuring exact distances using millions of laser pulses per second, but it is fundamentally, structurally blind. It cannot read text on a traffic sign, it cannot see the color of a traffic light, and it cannot understand visual context. With the staggering level of neural sophistication achieved by VLA 2.0, LiDAR became not just an unnecessary financial cost, but a redundant piece of hardware that was holding the processing power back. XPeng introduced the Pure Vision system, perfectly named Eagle Eye. By aggressively removing the LiDAR from the architecture, the engineering team drastically reduced aerodynamic drag, cut critical unsprung weight from the highest point of the vehicle, and eliminated the massive computational nightmare of trying to fuse conflicting data packets from different types of sensors. The system now relies entirely on high-fidelity photon capture. We must respect the legacy here. Tesla taught the industry, very assertively, that humans pilot vehicles using only two optical sensors, our eyes, processed by a biological neural network, our brain. The XPeng P7 Plus utilizes this exact same irrefutable premise, scientifically proving that when ultra-high-definition cameras are coupled with an artificial intelligence that actually understands the context of the world, laser sensors become obsolete technology. We cannot talk about an end-to-end neural network without addressing the physical reality of the hardware running it, processing vision, language, and action simultaneously, in real time, while traveling at 120 kilometers per hour, requires a level of silicon processing power that generates extreme heat. The chips inside the P7 Plus are functioning as a localized supercomputer. In traditional vehicles, the ADAS module is passively cooled or barely integrated into the main thermal loop. XPeng had to engineer a dedicated active liquid cooling matrix specifically for the AI processing unit. The coolant routing had to be redesigned to prioritize the silicon before it even reaches the battery pack under high computational loads. If the neural network thermal throttles because it gets too hot while processing a complex downtown intersection, the car loses its cognitive ability. By integrating the AI compute module directly into the vehicle's primary high-voltage thermal management system, XPeng ensures that the VLA 2.0 network operates at peak teraflops without any degradation, regardless of whether the car is driving through the freezing winters of Northern Europe or the blistering heat of the Nevada desert. This is where software engineering and mechanical thermodynamics collide. Let's talk about the raw physics of reaction time. The ultimate metric of any autonomous system is latency. How fast can the system translate a visual threat into physical deceleration? In the old modular systems, the latency was often measured in hundreds of milliseconds due to the data passing through the perception planning, and control checkpoints. At highway speeds, every millisecond translates to feet of stopping distance. Because the VLA 2.0 is a single unified neural network, the latency is practically eradicated. When the eagle-eye cameras detect an anomaly, the neural network processes the image, understands the context via the language model, and commands the brake-by-wire system in a fraction of the time it takes a human brain to even register the visual stimulus. The electrical signal bypasses traditional software pathways and communicates almost directly with the vehicle control unit. This allows the XPeng P7 Plus to not only react faster, but to modulate the braking force with a level of granular precision that prevents the ABS from unnecessarily engaging, maintaining perfect tire contact patch stability. It is the digitization of reflexes. The launch of the XPeng P7 Plus equipped with the VLA 2.0 architecture marks a definitive, irreversible turning point in the timeline of automotive engineering. We have officially crossed the barrier of raw hardware. The battleground for the automotive industry is no longer solely focused on who can stamp the lightest aluminum subframe or forge the most rigid chassis. The war for total dominance of the global streets has been transferred to silicon matrices and deep neural networks. By fusing end-to-end computer vision with the semantic reasoning of large language models, China is creating mobile platforms that possess synthetic intuition and a genuine instinct for self-preservation. What we are witnessing is not just a vehicle that knows how to keep itself centered in a highway lane or autonomously brake for a static wall. We are witnessing the birth of the cognitive automobile, a machine that observes the world in the exact same way that we do, comprehends dynamic risks with the same situational awareness that we have, but reacts to the unforgiving laws of physics and gravity with the flawless relentless precision of a supercomputer. The era of analog mechanics and hard-coded rules is dead. Welcome to the absolute dominance of driving intelligence.